This is why humans can live without a spleen. The spleen is an organ located in the upper left side of your abdomen. It is a bit like a large lymph node, and it filters out old red blood cells and stores blood plasma. Now, you might be wondering, if the spleen is so important, what happens if it gets removed? And the answer is not much. You might get a little bit tired and you would have a decreased ability to fight off infections. But you could still live a relatively normal life. In fact, people who have had their spleen removed are at no risk of dying from it. So why do we even need a spleen in the first place? Well, the spleen is part of the lymphatic system, which is a network of vessels and organs that help to fight off infections. The spleen specifically filters out old or damaged red blood cells and platelets and stores blood plasma. This is important because blood plasma contains the proteins and antibodies that help your body fight off infections. When the spleen filters out the old blood cells, it sends them to the liver to be recycled. The liver then uses these recycled materials to make new blood cells. But here's the thing. You don't actually need your spleen to do this. Your liver can take over the spleen's job if it needs to. So if your spleen were to get damaged or infected, your liver could step in and help keep your blood clean and healthy. This is why people who have had their spleen removed are at an increased risk of certain infections. Without the spleen, your body has a harder time filtering out old or damaged blood cells, which means that you're more likely to get sick. But this can be managed with antibiotics and anti-inflammatory medications. So there you have it. Humans can live without a spleen, although it makes us more susceptible to infections. If you want to learn more about the human body, make sure to stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, stay healthy.